Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to bring you along as I unbox my new Cuisinart Custom 14 cup food processor. This is not sponsored or affiliated. My old food processor broke and I needed to buy a new one. So I opted to do this one based on the advice of a viewer, and I thought, why not? I am really excited about this. So let's unbox this and see what it has. Here we have it all unboxed and on the table. It comes with an instruction booklet with a spatula. It comes with an attachment for your shredding and slicing blades. I'll read the instructions on how to assemble that later on and probably show you in my videos, but that goes in to elevate it and use it in your kitchen. And here's the mandolin with all the label that it's very sharp, so be careful. But you can kind of see here that it has the slicing curve right there. This would be great for slicing potatoes, for scallop potatoes, or slicing your pickles to make cucumbers, any of that kind of look. And then you have your chopping blade. That does not use the stick, it just goes straight in the center to the bottom for chopping, pureeing, that sort of thing. One thing I'm really liking so far about this one as opposed to my last model, it was kind of similar. It had the oval with this inset. This one on my old model, the Hamilton Beach, it was loose. So if you turned it over, it would come out and it would fall out all the time on me. This one actually locks in place. You put it in and give it a twist and it's secure, it won't come out. So I really like that. This one, they said, is really good for when you want to remove it and pour in oils if you're going to be making a dressing or just need to add an oil to something like a pesto. You can pour it in here, but if you need to make it really slow, you can put this in and lock it in and put the oil in here, and there's a center hole right here and it'll slowly release the oil there so that it will mix in with your liquids that you have for your dressing and emulsify. This part goes in here in the lid, and this is your safety mechanism right here. If you don't have this in, it will not run. So the metal piece, and that's huge, my last one was plastic, goes in here and engages that, and then when you have it locked into the cup part, it locks this in and it allows you to start it. And here is our big 14 cup bowl. And you put it on like this and twist it counterclockwise to lock it in. For the lid, it goes over here and goes counterclockwise until you hear that snap. And now it's locked in. And you can pull this up. So you just lift this part out, insert your vegetables, your cheese, whatever you're grating or slicing or pureeing, and put it back in, turn it on, and you're good to go. And if you just need to do a little bit of chopping, you don't want it finely pureed, you can just hit where it says off or pulse, you just push that down and pulse it. But as soon as you lift up, it'll turn off. So you can do those really fine chops as opposed to it just going and going on you. This is really cool looking. I cannot wait to try it. We're gonna get it all cleaned up and ready to go. And then I will be probably using it next week to grate up all that cheese in a video for you guys. So stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe if you want for that notification to pop up. We would appreciate it. We thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you have a very blessed day. Bye-bye.